Bone update, right? The way these markets have a way of shaking people out, do they not? You can see another pullback here with this thing. Right now it's at 0.7928. All right, it had a low of 78 cents today, and it's getting a little bit of a bounce from there. All right, we'll dig a little deeper into this thing and see what's going on. But you can see some sellers down here on the 4 hour. If we go out to the daily, yeah, you can see some sellers in here panicking and jumping out. All right, these things, if this is doing a 5 wave up, all right, you can retrace wave one up to 99% of wave one. All right, so if this is a wave one, two, and we have a third wave coming up here, the third wave would be the most explosive and biggest wave. All right, if we take a measurement here with a trend-based fib, if this is what's happening, all right, we don't know for sure until this thing starts moving, but that would give this thing a target up at $1.45. Isn't that something? Close, pretty close to this high here. Just a hair above it at $1.46. Okay, and that would be the first move up here. All right, and then of course you'd have a correction and then continue up. All right, just like these past moves. All right, you can see this first move up here, a correction. All right, and then it continued to go on and finish the move. All right, you always have, you can't just go straight up. All right, you can see the move here. Pretty similar areas. You know, if this works out like that, it's kind of crazy. You know, even on the way down, right here was a correction. Here was a correction. Pretty similar area up through here. You know, if we put a line on this, look at that correction here, correction here, correction here, a high here, and then a correction. Look, it almost matches this high perfectly. So we'll see if that's what plays out in here. All right, over on CoinMarketCap, the volume is up 58%, 6.5 million. All right, so maybe that's telling you something here. You can see that bottom right there, and it's starting to get a little bit of a bounce here. All right, let's go back to this chart real quick, guys. All right, that would be if it's doing 5 waves up. That would be the target for it. All right, if it goes below, all right, if it makes a lower low than over here, this is out. Okay, then it's totally doing something else. That yeah, with that would throw that right off. But as long as this low here, all right, zoom in on this thing. As long as this low right here is not lower than over here, this is still in play. All right, so we have the daily RSI. Looks to me like it wants to turn up. All right, you can see it curbing. Looks to me like it wants to turn up here. That's what these markets do. You know, they'll make it look like the thing's going to crash, and then boom, there it goes. All right, we got the weekly right at the bottom, ready to tick up at any time. Look at that thing. It's so close to crossing over. Very, very close. All right, we got the 12-hour just about reset. We got the 8-hour on the bottom, reset, oversold. The 4-hour just about reset. So that's what these, like I said, that's what these markets do. That's how the markets make money. You know, they make it look like things crashing. You jump out like these people down here, and then the thing rockets, starts taking off, and these people buy back in up here or something. You know, and that's how it works. So we'll see. But bone still looks absolutely fine to me. Okay. I'm hanging in there. I totally believe in this project. I think 78 cents right now is a steal. This market cap is only $182 million. All right, and the Shibaswap is not going anywhere. I believe this thing is totally solid. So everything looks fine with this thing. Now, like I said, if it makes a lower low than over here, then we're gonna have to go back to the drawing board here and see what's going on. But please hit the like and subscribe, guys. Consider getting the trading videos. They're $14.99. That's a level 3 membership. You get I think there's 16 videos in there now, over 6 hours of learning how to draw trend lines, use the Fibonacci, everything I know. I add one video a week in there, and It's definitely worth your 15 bucks. That's for sure. If you want to learn how to do this stuff. So, all right, guys, thanks a lot. I'll talk to you very soon. Have a great night, everybody.